Hi friends, this is AN47. This time with a new video in continuation to the series that you were viewing earlier. This is the additional accessory that I have ordered for my Sjcam 5000X Elite. This is the camera that we are talking about. Now this camera comes with multiple settings. As you can see, this I can just clamp up to anything and I can have it recorded. But what if I want this to be linked to a particular object where I don't want anyone to take the videos of mine. I just want it to be auto. So what do? I use this particular clamp which can be fixed onto any surface, can mount this, is stable. I don't need to hold anything, and this thing does the work for me. So I've ordered this from Amazon. Okay, and the supplier of this is Buying Paisa, and the cost of this particular accessories with all taxes inclusive is 680 rupees. So let's take a glimpse of what this particular product is. We'll just start that. So guys, this is it. So guys, this is the clamp that I'm talking about. Now we'll see how we can put this to use. Firstly, I can shift and rotate this. As you can see, I can tilt it here, I can tilt it here, I can tilt it down, I can make it straight. So what this does is it gives me great angles while I'm doing my video shooting. So I can put it down like this, I can make it straight, I can bend it at an angle, I can twist it, and it's good to go. So wherever I post it, I can take multiple videos. I can attach this to my car, I can attach this to my home as a cam, and I can use it. So it comes with a built-in net jacket that fits into this particular part of mine. So what I can do is I can just connect onto this straight away, or I can use this particular clamp where this fits just snugly like this.